today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is water. So, about 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, lakes, streams, seas, and ocean. These are the various water bodies. We find many areas on the earth facing scarcity of water. People living in such areas do not have enough water for the basic uses like drinking, bathing, cooking, and washing. And water is essential for all forms of life. But it is not different for people. Many uses of water include agriculture, industries, household, and environmental activities. So, human require fresh water. 97.5% of water on the earth is salty water, or 2.5% as fresh water, of which two-thirds is frozen. Now, let's study about the various sources. इंडिया इज एन एग्रीकल्चर कंट्री. एग्रीकल्चर किस पे डिपेंड होता है? मॉनसूनल रेन पे, रेनफॉल पे, विच इज अनइवन, राइट? सो इनसफिशिएंट एंड अनसर्टेन क्रॉप्स नीड टू बी वाटर्ड व्हेन इट डज नॉट रेन. और हम क्या करते हैं? क्रॉप को वाटर करते हैं जब बारिश नहीं होती है. सो वी हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन मीन्स ऑफ इरिगेशन, वेल्स, ट्यूबवेल्स, टैंक्स, कैनाल्स. दीज आर द पॉपुलर मीन्स ऑफ इरिगेशन. नेक्स्ट इज वेल्स एंड ट्यूबवेल्स. Rainfall is the main source of water which flows to the seas through river and streams. Water seeps underground. Now, what it's do, it collects hard water, hard rock bed under subsoil, and this underground water is brought to the surface by means of wells and tubewells. Wells and tubewells are mainly found in northern plains. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar use tubewells and wells for irrigation. Underground water from greater depth is taken out with the help of electric pumps. A deep bore is dug into the earth. So underground water is pumped out through a pipe. This is called tube well. Right, then we have tanks in some area where it is difficult to dig wells. The rocky and the low water table tanks are used to collect rainwater. This water is used for irrigation and other purpose during dry season. So if we talk about canal, it is an important source of irrigation in northern India and river delta of southern India. Why? It is usually dug out from the perennial river. Such canals are permanent and seasonal canal. They are taken out from river during the rainy season. Rainwater is the best means of irrigation, but we don't have rain all the year. We get rain mostly in the month of July and August. So it's too late, sometimes too early, and sometimes rain is too heavy and there are floods. Sometimes there is no rain at all and there are famines. So we cannot depend on rain for our irrigation. Right, then we have rivers, which is a large natural stream of water. We have many big rivers in India like Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. From where do they rise? From the Himalayas, and they have brought throughout the year. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and they have water only when there is rain. जब बारिश होती है तभी यहाँ पे होती है पानी. Multi-purpose projects की हम बात करें, dams act as a reservoir. They are huge man-made lake. The water from the lake is diverted into canals for irrigation. Right, dams help in controlling flood. Dams also help in producing hydroelectricity. Water is allowed to fall from great height and to generate electricity, which is used in village and city. As you know that since dams are useful, so they are also used for multi-purpose projects. Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister of India, called these multi-projects as a temples of modern India. ये क्या है? Temples है modern India के. Bhakra Dam built on Satluj River is one of the highest dam in the world. It forms a lake called Godavari Sagar Lake, Govind Sagar Lake, and this lake is the biggest artificial lake. What it provide? Water and electricity to Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh and Delhi. Hirakud Dam built on Mahanadi River, longest dam hai. We have Tungabhadra Dam on river Tungabhadra in Karnataka and Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh. The Damodar Valley project on the river Damodar is in the West Bengal. Right, so this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.